In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Trello step by step. Whether you're a new Trello user or just need a refresher on the login process, this guide is here to walk you through it. Trello is a powerful tool for project management and collaboration, and getting started is simply a matter of logging in. Let's dive in and make sure that you're swiftly on your way to organizing your tasks using Trello. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is the main website where you'll manage all your boards, cards, and lists. Once you are on the Trello homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's sleek and user-friendly, designed to help you get right into the action. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll spot the Login button. Go ahead and click on that button. This will bring you to the login page. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to a page where you have a couple of options to access your account. Trello, as part of Atlassian, allows you to log in using different methods. If you're using Trello for personal purposes, or if your workplace uses Google for email, you might find it handy to log in using your Google account. This is a quick and seamless process which removes the need to remember yet another password. For those who prefer the traditional route, you can also log in using your email and password. Choose the option that suits you best and enter your credentials. Once you've entered your login information, click on the login button to proceed. Now, successfully logging in should take you directly to your Trello homepage. Here you will see all your current boards and any boards shared with you. This is the central hub where you can create new boards, manage existing ones, and collaborate with your team. Make sure everything looks good. It's always a good idea to quickly scan your boards and ensure everything has loaded properly. If you encounter any issues during the login process, such as forgetting your password or not being able to access the site, Trello has support pages and a helpful community that can guide you through troubleshooting. Also, ensure that your web browser is up to date, as older versions might not support the current features. And there you have it. Logging into Trello is as simple as that. You've now gained access to a powerful project management tool ready to help you achieve your goals. Make the most of Trello by exploring its features, and don't hesitate to customize your boards to fit your personal workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.